guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little montage I put together, and yes, this is BRZ 2.0. So as you can tell, it is a rally inspired wrap. On the side here we have the WRX inspired kind of Subaru logo. We've got some sponsorship stuff on it. Back here we've got some more logos, and just all around changed the look of this a lot. The yellow is matched to the original car. I have the same paint color. And then the other big thing with BRZ 2.0 is on the inside of the car right here. If I turn on the car, you can see I have the Starlight headliner. So it's really cool. I'm so glad that I did all this. I hope you enjoyed that montage. I've spent the last week or so, probably 2 weeks actually, installing these graphics and filming this montage for you. The next 2 videos, look out for those. The first one is going to be me installing the headliner, and the second is going to be the wrap. So next 2 weeks are going to be videos working on BRZ 2.0. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. Spent a lot of time working on this. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe, and also click that notification bell so you know when I make a video. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you next video.